The RS10 is SAGE Navigation's high-precision RTK with Snap Fusion's measurement system, and it has the ability to capture data also inside doors and outdoors in multiple environments. I know many of you already have a product, and through this video, we will show you how to use the RS10 for the outfield data collections. And now, we're going to show you the package kit of our RS10. Let's kick off with what's in the RS10 product package. The package includes the RS10 unit, a USB to Type-C cable, a USB flash drive, then cleaning wipes, device batteries, battery charger, an operation tablet, tablet holder. At the same time, we also have the chest support blanket. Before we go to work, we need to check if the battery is fully charged. Press the button on the batteries. 4 guys on stands for the fully charged. So we take out the main unit, open the back covers, and install the battery. After we check the battery, we can start the installation of the RS10. There are 3 modes for the RS10, the handheld mode, the wrench pull mode, and the chest bracket mode. When installing the handle, make sure it's securely locked to prevent the device from falling off during the scanning. And if you need to set the device down on the flat surface, just attach the handle base to the bottom. At 1.9 kg, the RS10 is a guided scanner on the market, so it's more convenient to do short measurements. For the longer time span using, we need to use the chest support blanket for it. Wearing the reflective sides facing back like this. Fasten all the button here and adjust it to the comfortable side. And this is a swing arm from our backpack system. So we install the swing arm using screws to adjust the position. And we can use other screws for vertical moving. So we install the RS10 on the swing arm. And we insert the tablet holder into the swing arm. And then we put tablet on the tablet holder. Remember, when we're in this mode, we need to keep it in hands and keep it from dropping on the ground. The chest support can really take your goggles off, can really make you comfortable for scanning for hours. Finally, in some special cases, we need to use the wrench pull for the RS10. Take off the handle, attach the wrench pull to the RS10 and tighten it up. And we insert the blanket and the tablet. Finally, we'll switch to the wrench pull mode. With the wrench pull mode, you can scan the things you cannot see, like tunnels up and obstacles. Some pipes can only be scanned by one side, but with the wrench pull, we can scan them all. When we are using the wrench pull mode, there are 2 things we need to pay attention to. First, don't bang it on the ground as it could damage your RS10. Second, keep checking it doesn't loosen up during long scans because of the rotating laser's head torque. Once everything's set up, press and hold the power button for 5 seconds to switch it on. The RS10 will run as quick as self-check, flashing rapidly before setting it on a steady green light when it's ready to roll. Then you can log in the course account, connect the device's Wi-Fi, have a real quick firmware check. Open the SmartGo software. Select the scan mode. Click on the setting icon in the top right corner to enter the settings interface. Then click on the icon to top left corner to enter the account login interface, and enter your account and password to log in. Click on the Wi-Fi's name to connect to the device's Wi-Fi. And these are all the steps you need to do before we go to work. Next, we're going to show you how to record data for the RS10. And SAGE Navigation has created 2 different modes for the RS10, one-click control and the SmartGo software control. Let's dive into the simplest way for the RS10 one-click control mode. At this mode, you just need to press the power buttons and you can check the receiver status. So let us walk through the steps together. The first step is to turn on the device. You just press the power button here. It will go to the self-examination mode. So at this time, the indicator light will start flashing quickly. So after the examination is done, the lights will go on solid. Next up, we need to initialize the device. Short press the power button here. The device will go to the initialization mode. Hold it steady and point it to an area with a lot of features for about 2 seconds. When the light stays on solid, this means you are good to go. Now, we are starting collecting data. the light will switch to a slow flash. That means your RS10 is gathering all those important data points. To stop collecting, it's just another quick press of the power button. The indicator light will stay on again and showing you that it's finished collecting. Keep in mind that the one-click control mode is for urgent situations. So there are 3 things you need to pay attention to. Firstly, you cannot log in the course account, which means that you don't have the real-time coordinates. Secondly, without a tablet, you cannot see the control point and you cannot see the data. However, during the recording, you still can connect it to a tablet and still can add control point and see the data. For more detailed data collections, we can use the SmartGo software on this tablet, and this is how we do it. First off, you need to connect your RS10 to the SmartGo app. And make sure your tablet is connected to the device's Wi-Fi and no other apps are doing the connection. Then, if you need absolute coordinates of your point cloud, go into the RTK settings and log into your course account. When you log in the course account, there are a couple of things you need to keep in mind. First, make the port settings the same as the coordinate system outcomes. If you're not logging the course account, you still can get the final result using the PPK or the control point optimizations incorporate. Finally, please avoid logging the same account on multiple devices at the same time. It will cause disconnections from the account. Moving on to setting up your project, you need to click the collection icon and give your project a name. Next, you get to choose the scene you need to work in. Remember, the project name needs to stick to letters and numbers. And always remember to select the right mode for the indoors work and outdoors work. For the next step, initializing the devices. Just stabilize for 2 seconds after creating your project. And this will finish automatically. If you want to aim at things with a lot of features, like tall buildings or uneven rocks, watch out for the things that could block these features. Then it's time to add control points. Point the metal tip of the device's handle on the wrench pole at the control point you want to collect. On SmartGo, hit Add Control Point. Choose your operation mode and type in the control point name and confirm. Adding control points does 2 great things. It increases your accuracy of the data and converts the data from relative to absolute coordinates. Just a heads up, if you're using the wrench pole mode, you need to input the pole height, and that's not necessary for handheld or chest support mode. Also, try to keep your control point name consistent. And remember, if you're doing coordinate conversion, you need at least 4 control points. Finally, to wrap up your project, just click the close icon. Wait a few seconds and it will close out without hanging around. The RS10 unit can hold only 1 battery at a time, but don't worry, it's equipped with a supercapacitor that supports hot swiping. This means you can change the battery without shutting down. Here's how it works. When you put out the battery, the tablet will show a 60-second warning to swipe the battery. Make sure you swipe it within those 60 seconds. After changing the battery, keep the device oriented just as before to swipe for about 5 seconds. Then hit the button to confirm the change and keep on working. If you run into any trouble with the device and you are connected to the internet, you can quickly upload the SmartGo and RS10 logs to the CHC Navigation Cloud platform. This is super helpful for the RD team to analyze and fix the issue. Here's how you update firmware. When you are online, after connecting to the RS10 device's Wi-Fi, if there is an update available, you will see a firmware update pop up. Click Update Now. Download the latest firmware, and after the download, hit the firmware upgrade button to complete the process. This is all the contents about today's video. If you want to learn more about software part of the RS10 and other products from the CHC Navigation, please subscribe to the channel. And see you in the next time.
Hi everyone, this is Rachel. Welcome to the online launch event of CHC Navigation's Surveying and Engineering product line. It's awesome to have you all here with us today. CHC Navigation has been exploring the field of high-precision navigation and positioning for over 2 decades. And with our innovative at our core, we are always pushing boundaries and driving the industry forward. So, what surprises do we have in store for you this year? Let's find out today. So we all know how game-changing CHC Navigation's Visual GNSS RTK was, right? That immersive visual experience made stakeout a breeze, especially for those of us who struggle with directions. But now, with advancements in technologies, we are taking things to a whole new level. Could you imagine having your entire CAD-based map right there in front of you in the real world? Well, guess what? That's exactly what we are bringing you today with the brand new i76 Palm Visual GNSS RTK. So look at this magic. i76 Palm Visual GNSS RTK seamlessly blends CAD and AR into the real world, making stakeout a breeze, really realized beyond visual within Palm. So let's check out the i76. It's really compact, fits right in the palm of my hand, but packs a punch. The i76 Palm Visual RTK features an ultra-lightweight design, weighing in at just 450 grams, about the size of an apple, is 40% lighter and 50% smaller than similar pocket RTK, and making it super easy to carry and operate in the field. But small doesn't mean simple. Not only is it lightweight and compact, but the i76 also integrates the GNSS, the IMU, and wide-angle dual cameras, with a whopping 175% increase in integration. Also, it's IP68 protected, ensuring best GNSS in harsh environments. And with its cutting-edge high-density lead battery technology, it provides over 17 hours of continuous operation. Palm size, extended endurance, robust, and reliable. That is the i76 Palm Visual RTK for you. By seamlessly blending CAD map with AR real-world overlays, the i76 isn't just a layering tech. We are changing stakeout experiences like never before. The CAD AR integration could bring top 3 advantages. Firstly, no more jumping around selecting points. It boosts efficiency by 50% in dense point stakeouts. And moreover, real-time AR viewing means no more wrong turns. And with intelligent assistance predicting construction directions, overall staking efficiency increased by 40%. So how do we achieve this boosted efficiency? Well, the i76 Palm Visual RTK integrates advanced GNSS, IMU, AR, and MR tech to overlay CAD-based map seamlessly onto real scenes. Importing CAD maps, and then the whole stakeout is right there in AR. Every target, every stakeout trend, all quite clear, and planning stakeout path is a breeze. And with its 95-degree wide-angle dual cameras, it offers a panoramic stakeout view in diverse sceneries. And now let's check some typical sceneries to see the i76 Palm Visual RTK in action. So firstly, the classic construction scenery, old city renovation or road construction. Ensuring we don't accidentally dig up underground pipelines has always been a challenge. But with the CAD AR visual stakeout feature, it's a walk in the park. Just import the CAD pipeline data, and the pipeline stakeout is right there in AR. The operations are quite streamlined. Also, with intelligent construction assistance, we can predict pipeline directions accurately, avoiding potential risks and boosting efficiency by over 60%. And next, the dense point stakeouts, like in landscaping, road-based pillars, and building foundations. Remember the hassle of jumping around to select each point? Well, not anymore. With the i76 Palm Visual Arctic's CAD AR visual feature, it's like having a superpower. You can select and stake out all points and lines directly from the CAD-based map in one go. So no more jumping around, just the tap of your finger. And also, with the auto stake out the nearest point feature, it's like having a smart assistant by your side. Just imagine saving 2 seconds per point selection can skyrocket your efficiency in dense stakeouts. And then, let's talk about building foundation construction. In the past, we had to clear the site of obstacles before starting the construction. But now, with the i76 Palm Visual Arctic's CAD AR visual stakeout feature, it's like having a pair of smart eyes. It overlays CAD design base map onto actual things and making everything clear as day. This means clear decision-making during construction and positioning become much easier. Throughout the entire construction circle, whether it's at the project beginning or during construction, the i76 helps us identify obstacles and plan ahead, boosting efficiency by over 30%. And the last scenery, remember how our old AR stakeout didn't have any road-related features? And now, with the i76 CAD AR visual stakeout, roads are now fully integrated into AR. Now, during early stakeout stages, when reviewing the red lines, you can use AR to see the line direction right from the shore, so no more climbing up and down the bank. And when verifying the center line, you know how we used to have to measure points at intervals. So where? Not anymore. With i76, we can mark milestone markers like 20 meter, 50 meter, and 100 meter directly on the ground with the CAD AR. So no more counting steps, making stakeout faster than ever. And with the i76 CAD AR Visual Fusion, roads are directly mapped on the ground, making it super easy for red light reviews and center line verification. So alright, let's talk about the GenSS performance of the i76 Palm Visual RTK. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, the i76 is so small, how about the GenSS performance? Well, extreme GenSS performance is not just a tagline for CHCNAV GenSS RTK. It's what we always aim for. The i76 Palm Visual RTK's ability to maintain strong GenSS performance despite its compact size is all thanks to our 4th generation air median GenSS antenna and hybrid GenSS engine. This design not only reduces the antenna weight and size, but also improves resistance to signal interference and ensures stable performance in challenging environments. And with 1408 channels, the i76 tracks 4 constellations and frequency points. And equipped with CHCNAV I-2 and Spheric interference rejection technologies, it guarantees a 96% reliable fixed rate, especially in regions with high interference activities. And also, the i76 is versatile. It can not only work with coarse mode, but also compatible with CHCNAV I-base for extended UHF coverage. You are looking at reliable UHF coverage up to 25 kilometers in standard conditions and 5 to 8 kilometers in tough terrains, even where there is no GenSS RTK network or cellular connections. And here is the exciting part: one-click fixed feature support. Just one click and you can get fixed. So no need to purchase additional course accounts or set up a base station. Now that's what we call convenience. And now, besides boosting the GenSS performance, we have also equipped the i76 with the 5th generation Ultra MU technology, which combines with the EKF algorithm, improves accuracy by 30%. Now you might have heard other brands stating their AutoML accuracy, but when it comes down to the real-world use, they often fall short. So it doesn't matter what you say, it matters what you can do. So now CHCNav is here to deliver. Our testing data speaks for itself. With our AutoML, we are providing best accuracy and user experience. It's not just about the ease of use of IMU initialization. Once IMU is working, it stays that way. And no matter how you carry it, by hand, on your shoulder, or held horizontally. And when it comes to the tilt accuracy, whether you are measuring at 30° or even 60°, we are leading the pack. Our AutoML means hassle-free initialization, no bubble levels needed, just the poke, measure, and trust in reliable accuracy. All right, now let's watch a short video showcasing all the awesome features of the i76 Palm Vision RTK. And as the perfect partner to CHCNav GenSS RTK, we also have the new LenderStar software this year, with major upgrades in graphic performance and versatile applications. It's your go-to solution for acing every job in every sceneries. Nowadays, it's becoming more and more popular for our users to work with CAD-based map. And our previous LenderStar was already leading the pack in this game, but we're not stopping here. Equipped with the third generation MatCAD graphic engine, we have upgraded the LenderStar and increased the opening speed of 200 MB large CAD files from the original 13 seconds to the current 8 seconds, which is more than 5 to 10 times faster than similar software. Also, LenderStar supports all versions of DWG and DXF maps and offer intuitive stakeout options. And you can select points, straight lines, multi-lines, segments, circles, and arcs from the map for stakeout directly. And for those terrain surveys, it's got the handy map survey feature. The LenderStar 8 software can automatically create all terrain on-site map in the field. LenderStar 8 is currently the most complete lifetime support among all the field survey apps. It can find corresponding line types for various terrains and easily cope with various terrain sceneries. So it can be said that the newly upgraded LenderStar 8 software can realize automatic on-site mapping of all terrains. And for road surveying and mapping, we have introduced the ZigZag survey. In the past, when a road involves multi-edges, such as when sidewalks, non-motorized lanes, and motorized lanes need to be surveyed at the same time, we often needed many people to collaborate or make multiple round-trip measurements, so which was not only inefficient, but also increased the labor costs. And now with the help of Landstar ZigZag Survey, a single person can easily complete the continuous surveying and mapping of multiple road edges, doubling the efficiency of road survey and mapping. The new version of Landstar also supports direct connection to total stations and the robotic total stations for measurement and stakeout. It is also the field survey app that currently supports the most total station models. It currently fully supports many brands such as CHC Navigation, Topcon, Leica, Geomax, Socure, and Likon Total Station. By tapping measurement and stakeout on the software, the single-person operation of the total station can be fully realized. This also means that as long as we learn how to use Landstar software, we can learn the total station measurement and stakeout. Now, RTK Total Station, one software can handle it all for you. And then let's take a look at a function that construction customers are more concerned about, the earthwork calculation. Our new Landstar software already supports 2D and 3D earthwork calculation functions, automatically optimized the tin shape and the calculation accuracy as high as 99.8%. When calculating the value of earthwork, our software supports the generation of 3D models. Through 3D view preview, tin construction, and direct editing, the effect is more intuitive when compared with actual terrain. Our users can quickly find places where tin construction is inaccurate, which improves the accuracy of earthwork calculations. And then let's take a look at the user-focused function of land area subdivision. Sometimes our users want to divide an area into two parts, but it's difficult to do so in the field. Now our new Landstar provides multiple methods to perform this operation. Not only can we set the dividing points by area or percentage, but we can also save the dividing points and stake them out directly, which can meet various area dividing scenarios. And for users who need to record point descriptions, automatic photographing is the must-have function. By working together with our Visual GNSS RTK, the new Landstar software can measure and take photos at the same time, eliminating the need for users to manually take photos or draw point descriptions. And this function is now supported by all of our Visual GNSS RTK, including our latest i76 Palm Visual GNSS RTK. And finally, our new Landstar software also has built-in UAV base mode. If we want to set our CHC GNSS to DJI UAV base, we no longer need to enter the web page to set up the RTSM data. We only need to connect our GNSS RTK in Landstar and set it to UAV base mode with one tap. That's it. Everything is pretty simple. So besides Landstar, we also bring you a new MapCloud software, perfect for GIS and comprehensive surveying applications. MapCloud is built on a powerful electronic map engine and supporting a wide range of GIS format data, designed for Android devices and CHC Nav devices. It's the go-to solution for prompts in industries like pipelines, forestry, utilities, municipal asset management, and agriculture. MapCloud boasts four major strengths: the powerful map performance, easy of use, rich functionality, and support for extended cloud connectivity. So firstly, let's talk about MapCloud's powerful map performance. With its powerful map engine, MapCloud leads the way in map operations. While other software might start with a 10 MB shapefile, MapCloud can handle 1 GB ship or even 30 GB data like a champ. It supports various GIS formats, allowing users to load GB scale shapefiles and visualize detailed attributes. Also, it offers a wide range of online map sources, including Google, Bing, WMS, and WFS. and can generate thematic map for easy data visualization. And next, MapCloud is super user-friendly. Its graphic design icons are vivid, and its customized industry layer templates are convenient. Just like Landstar, it comes with the built-in video, tutorials, and local resource packages, so making it a breeze for users in different regions. And MapCloud also has rich functionalities. It supports multiple data collection methods, including points, lines, polygons, and tracks, and along with extensive attributes libraries. It also included various measurement methods, import, export formats, and a comprehensive global coordinate system library. And with advanced features like coordinate stakeouts, track recording, length, area measurements, and cloud collaborations, it's a powerhouse tool for professionals. MapCloud also supports secondary development, allowing our users to access high-precision GNSS information. And just like Landstar, MapCloud also supports the cloud service to enhance the team collaborations, making project backup, collaboration, and layer templates sharing a breeze. And the sharing code feature simplifies project data transfer between the office and the field sites. And we offer 3 different versions of MapCloud for users to choose from: free, basic, and professional, catering to different data import-export needs and advanced features. Also, MapCloud also supports 2 different work modes. You can install it directly on our LT800H tablet or LT60H RTK smartphone for data collection. And also, you can install it on our LT800 tablet or HC600 handheld controller and connect it to our CHC navigation GNSS RTK for high-precision operations. So we offer different portfolio to meet your diverse job needs. And finally, let's see a short video of MapCloud to sum up its features. So there you have it. Everything about our new surveying and engineering product line for 2024 H1. We have got the i76 Palm Visual RTK, Beyond Visual within Palm, and the upgraded Landstar 8 field survey application, and the brand new MapCloud GIS data collection and mapping app. All these thoughtful designs are aimed at making your experience easier, smarter, and more efficient. And now, all new solutions are available. You are welcome to inquire and order through our local partners and global authorized dealers. And thank you for your continued support and interest in CHC Navigation's innovative products.